Hello everyone, Andrew Chubb here from Awalé Resources again. Today we've put out some nice results from Charger 1 drilling. This is part of our resource development drilling program that we've got going towards our first mineral resource estimates. Without further ado, let's keep talking about Awalé and our Charger target. Usual forward-looking information. Quick recap: Odienné Project, northeast Côte d'Ivoire, 2,500 square kilometres of exploration tenure. Right now we're focused on this permit here, where we're doing our resource development drilling, and today we're talking about the Charger target, which sits down in the south of the permit over here. So where are we? We're doing step back drilling, so we're drilling deeper down from our previous results. The last couple of news releases, we released things like 11 meters at 70 grams, 6 meters at 17 grams, and today is not really any different. The longest step back, or a bit of a teaser, is the biggest step back we've had in here is Charger hole number 3. You'll see that our naming conventions change. We've got CHDD for Charger drill hole 3 for the step back drilling. It's got 9 meters at 52.8 grams per ton, so more of the same. And when we look at the long section next, there's something quite interesting about that as well. And then we've got those other results, Charger hole 2, 7 meters at 10, Charger hole 4, 14 meters at 17, as well as 19 meters at 3.8. There is a 4 meter split between those two intervals. We're quite strong on our cutoff, so we include 3 meters of waste, but at these grades you would probably carry that waste inside that anyway. And then finally, drill hole 170 has got 20 meters at 2.6, including 6 grams over 4 meters, which is important because that's on the eastern side as well, and so is Charger hole 3. So when we have a look at the long section here, this is the important thing. We haven't got a call out here for that hole number 170, but it's the easternmost one there. And then we've got nice mineralization in hole 4 and hole 2, and then this step down in hole 3. And the interesting thing is here, we've talked about folding or the mineralization lobing out like it does here for hole 83. We're starting to see that sort of fold or lobate shape coming into play again. So we're with further drilling, we're expecting to see another one of those zones, and as we discussed, we think it could be like a ladder, or interpret like a ladder, and there will be more of these zones as we keep stepping down in the Charger target. So that's a really important thing. So we're getting really nice grades again. 9 meters at 52.8, or nearly 53 grams, is simply spectacular, and we've got a lot more drilling to come. So the white dots you see here are these horizontal drill fences as we step down further into the deposit, and we should have drilling completed down to 400 meters vertical for our first mineral resource estimate. So that's what those other 11 holes that we've still yet to report. And they'll be, coming through along with BBM, along with Empire, and we think this will be coming out at a roughly fortnightly cadence. We'll be having the results coming through and getting them out to market. So really exciting times for Awalé, and all these results coming through are working towards our first mineral resource estimate in Q2, and that mineral resource estimate will include Charger, BBM and Empire. And so really exciting times for Awalé, and a good time to keep your eye on Awalé and start getting into where we are, because we do still see ourselves as significantly undervalued at our current market cap. And where we are with the project, we're doing 100,000 meters of drilling on the project this year. It's really exciting stuff. So watch this space, and I'll see you again very soon with our next lot of results in about 2 weeks. Thank you very much, everyone.